Hello everyone, today I will be sharing and reviewing the book that I have read around 2 weeks ago. A masterpiece called Search Me, The Surprising Success of Google. This book was written by Neil Taylor and was published by Science Books on 2006. We know that Google is the most successful search web until now. Many companies tried to copy it, but they also failed. But Google didn't just become a search web, it also made maps, photos, and many more. But let's dive back on how Google became the most successful search webs. On 1995, two PhD students from Stanford, Larry Page and Stanley Briggs, want to make a search things, where people can find information about the universe. But internet on that time were weak, so it's almost impossible to make a search web where you can find an information about the whole universe. But they both never gave up. So after 3 years, they finished it. They named it Google, the things that we use until these days. Google don't really become successful in that time, so the both of the students convinced people on their school to use it, and it was really helpful for them. And after that time, Google became the most successful search web. We know that Google is the most successful search web until now, but it's not also a search web. It's also a maps, drive, and photos. But not just that three, Google also create many things. This book taught me that Larry Page and Stanley Briggs, even after 3 years working a long time, they never gave up. That is a long time for me. But if you gave up, then you will never finish the things that you do. That's all from me. Thank you.